Good morning, class 10. Today your topic is problems of Indian agriculture and their solution. Indian agriculture has been affected by some natural and some man-made problems. The problems of the solution are discussed. Fragmentation of holding. According to the law of inheritance, the lands have been divided into the family members. Now, if the family farmer's family have a small plot, then it will be divided into small fragments for his heirs. This makes the plot uneconomic and result in a wastage of fertile soil. Machined agriculture activities are not at all possible in small holdings. So, the system of distributing and getting it is having problem in mechanical farming. Next is seeds. Good quality of seeds are not available to the farmers, and as they are of high price, they can't afford it. So, with an unfavorable seeds, an unfavorable means the poor cultivator suffers a lot, and that's why the cultivation or the agriculture production also suffers a lot. Low fertility of the soil. When the soil is repeatedly used for cultivation for a long period of time, the fertility of the soil is gone, which does as a result, the consequence of the land production is also less. Next is overuse of pesticides and herbicides. Indian crops usually suffer from diseases and insects for which pesticides are used. If it is used in great extent or overused by the farmers, then it also harms the cultivation. In India, 1/3 of the crops area is under irrigation. If this is not sufficient enough for crop raising. For good crops, good irrigation facilities is required, which is not always possible in every part of India. That also makes the cultivation suffer. Lack of mechanism, as I had told earlier, that our lands is being distributed among the family, and when it becomes in small pieces, mechanism is not mechanical mechanism is not being possible. Machines cannot be used. They have to do it with the conventional tools like plow and sickle, and due to which serious problems occurs, and the traditional method of land tillage makes the cultivation low or slow, because work which is done with a machine can be done faster than with hand. Next is soil erosion and under-organized agriculture and marketing. By wind and water, soil fertility is used. They have been carried away, and in absence of organized marketing structure, farmers are forced to sell their agricultural products to the low price to the middlemen or money lenders from whom they borrow money for cultivation. And this is where the farmers are being cheated, or this is where the farmer suffers a lot. Inadequate storage facility of the crops, as in in India, many places the storage facility is not so good. So, being improper storage facility, the farmers have to sell their crops immediately after harvesting without waiting for a higher price. This gives them a great loss. The other two problems are transporting. In every part of India, the transportation network of transportation is still not good. So that gives an problem of bringing the finished products or the cultivated things to the market or to the proper places. And also, all these factors are responsible for the shortage of capital, which hampers the agricultural progress most. Okay.